Hello everyone, this is Forex Discovery. Assalamu alaikum. Ina son na yi bayani ne akan gap. For some of you that take forex trading serious, I want to explain something about gap. What did I mean by gap? Look at here. From this place to this place, there is a gap here, right? There is a serious gap here. So before then, this is a live account of $50. Then they give me bonus of 150. That's why they put it here in equity. And where is history? So this is the $50 they give me. I deposited. Then this is the profit. I think let me withdraw like $61. Let me continue trading with $80. I like withdrawing. I did not trust market makers. They can change direction. Even if you enter at the correct place, they will change direction and chop your money. So but don't cash $80 chicken $91 but don't cash $61 but soda. Okay, this is my withdrawal. I submit. Thank you for withdrawal as your receipt. Then for some of you that want to use because when there's withdrawal, those days when we are learning trading, we see what kind of broker there is he using. Let me copy. So if you want to use the broker I'm using, you can now go to my bio of my channel. You will see it. That's the only link there. You will now click on it and register. Then you continue trading with the same broker I'm using. So like this, okay? Come to Forex Discovery. You see it. So this is the broker. You click on this link and now register with them. You are done. You can now trade with my same broker I'm using. Okay. I have trade today and I make $19. Then let me show you why I make this $19, and that is why I say okay, let me do a video and explain how to trade this gap. 80 to 90% of gap they always close. Idan kasuwa ta buɗe ta ba da gap sai ta koma ta rufe wannan gap mafi yawanci 80 to 90%. Okay, now what really happened? The movement started somewhere here. Look at the movement started somewhere here, right? So this period I was sleeping. I can't wake up at this time now. Up to here. So what I did is when I wake up, I now draw my line. Okay, I draw my trend line. So I saw this breakup and also this breakup. Okay, so immediately I saw it, then I saw this week. I now targeted here. Okay, that's my target where to enter, where to execute it here. So I now enter here, which I make $19 altogether. Okay, so when I started seeing this weeks, in the paragon weeks, daga sama, the paragon week. Let's say this is the Sunday, then you see this week. So this market is going to mess you up. Okay, the market is set to mess you up. So that is why I now close. Okay, that is why I close and I now take that $1. I'm trying to give you the, okay, let's say this is the body, then this is the weight. Ni kuna ganin su da yawa wannan week ɗin, to gaskiya matsala ta fara zuwa ma kasuwa za ta nusin naka off. Okay, za ta yi nusin naka off. However, nothing is permanent in trading, so ku ringa kula in case za a sami changes. Then I'm seeing another breakup now, but I'm not going to enter the market. Look at it. This is a breakup, and hopefully it's coming here. Once it reach here, then now it will now bounce back to stay like this. Okay, so as I get trading week, then you will now come to this place and wait. In your hitting now, you check your profit. Okay, once you hit here, sometimes it will continue going up, then it will now rise, then it will go up, or it will take, then it will come down and continue coming down. Okay, but what I want you to put in your mind is that market always close 80 to 90% will close that gap. So one candle once this candle reach here, it have closed this gap. Then from there, the market will decide on where to go. Okay, so these are the things that I want to explain to you guys so that you follow and take advantage of gaps. Okay, it do happen many times, even not only on Sunday or Monday or Tuesday. It happen any day it needs to happen. Okay, but mostly it occurs Nigerian time, let me say around 11 o'clock when market change or market open in the night. Then that is the time they close, they create gap. Okay, finally, let me give you this thing as a bonus. A lot of you have been following me for more than 15, 16, 17 years. Okay, and I think you deserve some secrets free, even though I have some videos that I do sell at the lower rates to my followers, but let me give you this one as free. For some of you that want to buy my advanced videos tutorial about trading, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me through this number. Okay, the secret here is very simple. Okay, go to your Fibonacci, check your Fibonacci where the gaps stop here, right? Now put it this way. Okay, make sure it's aligned with this last candle. Okay, now the secret here is if the gap continue going and it comes down and it goes below 61.8, this market is coming down. You have to sell and target your profit here at 100. If it hits 61.8 and it goes up, okay, target your profit at this last candle, below this last candle, target your profit after you have already sold here by cashier and okay, then stop loss is here. Okay, then your take profit is here. Wannan shine secret din ga in dai kai masa haka baka ci riba da Allah. Okay, so these are the secrets. Apply your Fibonacci retracement. I have shown you how to take the Fibonacci and place it. So below 61.8 and you break, you see clear breakup, then you sell. You take your profit here. If it's above, it goes this way, see a clear indication that the market is going up, you buy, which I did, and I took my profit somewhere here because I don't like staying in market that long. I can wait to reach here, but I don't want it to reach here. I don't have that time. I took my profits. Okay, so I wish you the best. Let you know, Forex is very simple and it's very easy if you follow the instructions. If you are not following the instructions, you are going to lose everything that you have, including your great grandfather house and farm that you inherit. This way, you go and sell them and put them, and they will all go. Yeah, I wish you the best. Let the video not be lengthy. God bless Nigeria. God bless our forces in Nigeria. God bless Nigeria and peace to the Middle East.